You wake up, look in the mirror, and your face looks swollen, puffy cheeks, bloated around the eyes. Your jawline has disappeared overnight. You think it's just water retention? Maybe you ate too much salt last night. But here's what nobody's telling you. That puffy face you see every morning, it's not water weight. It's a warning sign your body is screaming for help. And if you ignore it, it gets worse. In the next few minutes, I'll reveal what's really happening to your face, and more importantly, what it means for your health. That morning, puffiness has a name. Cortisol face. And it's become an epidemic. Cortisol is your body's primary stress hormone. When you are stressed, anxious, sleep deprived, or eating inflammatory foods, your cortisol levels skyrocket. And when cortisol stays high for weeks or months, your face literally starts holding on to fluid and inflammation. But here's what makes this dangerous. Your puffy face isn't the problem. It's the symptom. It's your body's way of saying, something is seriously wrong inside. Let me explain exactly what's happening. High cortisol does three things to your face. First, it triggers inflammation. Cortisol floods your system with inflammatory chemicals. Your face, being full of blood vessels and sensitive tissue, swells up like a balloon. Second, it causes fluid retention. High cortisol disrupts your body's sodium and potassium balance. Your face starts holding water, especially around your eyes and cheeks. This is why you look 10 pounds heavier in the mirror, even though the scale hasn't changed. Third, it redistributes your fat. Cortisol literally tells your body to store fat in your face, neck, and upper back. This is called moon face in medical terms. You might think you're just aging or gaining weight, but this is different. This is hormonal thesis stress. This is your body breaking down. And if your face looks like this in the morning, there's more happening beneath the surface. Cortisol face is never just about appearance. If your face is puffy from chronic high cortisol, here's what else is happening inside your body. Your blood pressure is likely elevated. High cortisol constricts your blood vessels, forcing your heart to work harder. Your blood sugar is probably unstable. Cortisol raises glucose levels, putting you at risk for insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Your immune system is weakened. You're getting sick more often, healing slower, feeling run down constantly. Your metabolism has slowed down. That stubborn weight around your belly, that's cortisol too. Your sleep quality is terrible. High cortisol at night means you can't fall asleep, or you wake up at 3 a.m. with your mind racing. Your anxiety and mood swings are through the roof. Cortisol hijacks your emotional regulation. Your puffy face is the visible warning, but underneath, your entire hormonal system is in crisis, and most people ignore it until it's too late. So how did your cortisol get so high in the first place? Chronic stress. You're juggling work, family, bills, responsibilities. Your body never gets a break. Poor sleep. You're staying up late, scrolling your phone, waking up exhausted. Sleep deprivation spikes cortisol immediately. Inflammatory diet, sugar, processed foods, alcohol, excess caffeine. All of these trigger cortisol release. Lack of exercise, or ironically, too much intense exercise. Both extremes raise cortisol. Chronic inflammation, gut issues, food sensitivities, hidden infections, they keep your cortisol switch permanently on. And here is the cruel parts. High cortisol makes you crave the exact things that raise it more. Sugar, carbs, caffeine, late nights. You're stuck in a vicious cycle, and your face is showing the damage every single morning. So here's how you actually fix cortisol face. Step 1. Fix your sleep. Ashwagandha and rhodiola have been scientifically proven to lower cortisol levels. Always consult your doctor first. Step 6. Practice real stress management. Meditation, deep breathing, journaling, therapy. Find what works for you. Even 5 minutes a day makes a difference. Step 7. Consider facial lymphatic drainage. Gently massage your face in upward strokes each morning. This helps drain excess fluid and reduces puffiness temporarily while you fix the root cause. Step 8. Get your cortisol tested. Ask your doctor for a 4-point saliva cortisol test. This measures your levels throughout the day and confirms if cortisol is actually the problem. Within 2 to 4 weeks of following these steps, you should see real improvement. Your face will look less puffy. Your energy will return. Your sleep will improve. But you have to commit to the process. Important medical disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Facial puffiness can sometimes indicate serious conditions like kidney problems, thyroid issues, or allergic reactions. If your puffiness is sudden, severe, or accompanied by other symptoms, See a doctor immediately. Always consult a healthcare professional before making changes to your health routine. Your face is trying to tell you something. That morning, puffiness isn't vanity. It's a message. Your body is asking you to slow down, to sleep more, to stress less, to take care of yourself. Imagine waking up with a defined jawline again, looking in the mirror and recognizing yourself, feeling energized instead of exhausted. It's possible, but you have to take action now. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button and subscribe for more health truth that doctors don't always tell you. Drop a comment below. Do you wake up with a puffy face? How many years has this been happening? You're not alone, and you're not stuck with this forever. I'll see you in the next one.